built all the walls, we created the windows, we created the doors, we put the block of the furniture, then we added the text. Now for the hatch, what we need to do is, in the command bar we press H for the hatch and then click spacebar or enter. So the hatch creation is open. You can click on the solid and then click apply. That way you can hatch it. We hatch all the floor plan. So the last step is put the dimension on the floor plan. Go to the annotate tab, click on the dimension, click this corner, enter. So dimension there. Their text size is small, so you can change your text height. The properties tab, here we have the text height. You can change it to 6 inches. So you can see it's showing. $35 for here. Crop. So that's our all steps are finished and our floor plan is ready. Thank you for watching QCC Guide. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.